Good morning, everybody. My name is Josh, and I am a drone instructor here in South Africa. I am one of the official drone instructors of South Africa, and I am making a YouTube channel for us, for our community, so that we can learn and grow drones together. Now, this first video is actually about regulations and regulatory amendments. I do have other videos that will be coming out that talk a little bit about the old regulations, but this specific video is letting you know that the regulations have changed. I'm going to be opening up my screen now and showing you how to identify, firstly, where to find these new regulation amendments, and then how to identify the actual changes that have occurred and happened from the one document to the other. So let's get started. So the first thing you're going to do is go ahead and make your way over to the CAA website. So we all know that the CAA is not very good in their technology department. It is just not doing justice. So what do we have to do? We have to find the CAA website. Watch this. If I search CAA in Google, nothing is going to come up that I want. None of these. This might actually be, they might have actually added it in. But in the past, there was no way to get to the CAA website except to actually type into the URL. Yep. Okay. As expected, and as I have just explained, you cannot access this website for some crazy reason unless you type it in. So caa.co.za. There you go. Now you will be able to access the website. And guys, that is a very important step. This website is your key to passing 90% of your DFEs, DREs, your designated flight or RPAS examinations, okay? You need to be able to access this website. Number one, you need to be able to peruse the website. Number two, and you need to be able to identify and find a certain number of documents, which is number three, okay? The cats and cars, the regulations, the AIPs, AICs, NOTAMs, those sort of things. Everything that you would use as drone pilots to plan your flight, you need to be able to access them on the website. I'm not going to do that now. Maybe we can do a website video later on, but right now you go industry, you go down to legal and aviation compliance. Because we're looking for the law, of course you're going to go to legal and aviation compliance. You head over to legislation, which is LexisNexis. LexisNexis does this. So you're going to click here and you'll see what LexisNexis actually is. LexisNexis is its own standalone online platform with which the CAA, or on which the CAA uses or puts on. I don't know. For some reason, I can't get the terminology of what I'm trying to say there. What I am trying to say is that the CAA uses this LexisNexis platform to put all of their regulations on this instead of having a page on their website. Okay, they use the LexisNexis system instead. So you go to this LexisNexis system and you're going to close Act. If we go to the regulations, you're going to see that you're going to go to 2011. You're not going to use 1997 because we are not using outdated regulations. If you wanted to, you could open this up and then go make another tab for yourself and open up the new amendments, but it's unnecessary and I'll show you why. Close the regulations, you go to your latest amendments. Guys, you will see that there are SA CATs. You should all know what this is by now, but if you don't, your CATs are your Civil Aviation Technical Standards. They tell you how to do what you need to do. Your cars are your civil aviation regulations. They tell you what to do. So your cars tell you what to do. Your cats tell you how to do it. Okay? That's how they work together. So we don't need to know about our cats. What we're going to go ahead and check out is the Civil Aviation Regulations Amendments. Okay? You'll see 25th and 26th. That tells me, a lot of people get confused because they see 25th. They go through it and they're like, Part 101 isn't in here. Part 101 is what we are as drones. So they miss the fact that there's another whole amendment in this document. So let's open it up and I'll show you what I'm talking about. So there's going to be the option to just scroll down on the website. And there's also going to be the option to actually download the PDF if this thing will not take a million years and sit and waste my time while I'm waiting for this thing. Goodness gracious, dude, come on. And my dogs are going crazy. Frickin' finally. Okay. I do not know why that took a million years to do. Probably because the tech department of the CIA is atrocious. Let's go ahead and download this thing. In fact, I don't have to. I realized I've already done that. So I'm just going to go ahead to my downloads. And here is the PDF. Ugh, man, it keeps opening on the freaking wrong page. There you go. Notice this is the First Amendment. This is not what we are looking for. So we're going to go right down until you see. So you see we're on 66. No, we don't want this. Regulation 67. No, we don't want this. We are looking for 101. 101 is our drones, our RPAS. 101. Frickin' finally. Yeah. Amendment of Part 101 of the regulations. This is what you use. Why did it do that? I just found it. Oh my god. Dude, all I want to do is make an educational video. If you guys know me from online apart from drones, go check out my other content because I've got content all about how I'm trying to start my own online businesses in a country that has no electricity, no Wi-Fi, no data, and also the fact that I have no money to actually buy things that I need, such as Adobe products, Word, and even a computer that I can actually use properly. But that's just a heads up. That's a self-promotion. Go check out my other content, okay? I get pretty funny stuff as a result of all my issues that I have. So, will you go to Part 101 if I could only just get there and show it off? Okay, so you'll see the way they've shown it to you is that anything that is underlined may be new, but it also may not, okay? But you got to check that out. So it may be new or there may be changes to it. But what the most important thing to notice is this. This in bold and those square brackets is the old terminology. Oh my goodness gracious me. I want to kill somebody. I'm not going to go back down there, but I'm just going to use this here for you to see. Okay, so you'll see this. There's this by at least, oh my god, fuck, dude. You will see this by at least an oral signal. Okay, they are constantly showing you what they have either taken out or put in using these brackets and the bold text. Okay, like I said, you can also check out the underlines. The underlines can mean a couple things. One of the main things that they mean is that this is brand new, check it out. Another thing that it means is that this now applies differently to this regulation than what it did previously. There are a couple things. You just got to go through this and check out what they mean, okay? But the biggest thing to notice the changes is this here, So instead of saying the PPC, which was the old regs, they now say the pilot proficiency check. So that's how that works. You see the underline is telling me that this is the new terminology that they're using. The bold brackets is the old terminology that they're using. And this is exactly how that works. I hope you appreciated that lesson. If you're enjoying this or learning from this, but also if you can find it in your heart, please hit me up on Patreon. Honestly, guys, I can't keep making content if I don't have the equipment and the resources and the softwares that I need. This is the best that I can do right now. Eventually, at some point, if people donate to me, that would be amazing, and then I can actually buy the equipment I need to do these things. But right now, if you just want to show your support by liking and subscribing, I would really, really appreciate that. And also, if you can check out all my other content, okay? In the description below, you're going to see our list. Gonna see a whole bunch of things available. I've got a driving channel, I've got a music channel, I've got a gaming channel, I've got a vlogs channel, I tell stories, I have TikTok, I'm on Instagram. Literally, I am everywhere. Go and check out the description, you're gonna see me there. We are growing online and drones is one of the ways that I want to do this. I am a drone instructor by trade. I am one of the known instructors in the whole country. So I thought I would use this reputation of mine and put it myself online in drones, because that way I could actually grow online in my other cases as well. But yes, so I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned a little bit. At least now you know where to find the regulations and you know how to identify what is new versus old. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye. Bye.